Hey there, what's up, ICE members? Today we're going to be looking at Instagram. Oh my gosh, I'm so used to talking about Instagram. We are going to be looking at YouTube Shorts. So I wanted to show you guys this because it's pretty cool. YouTube Shorts now has a beta. So what you can do is you can actually download the YouTube app, as you can see here, and you can go inside and click this little plus sign down at the bottom and you'll see create a short. This is super duper cool because beforehand you used to have to go in and just upload a video and you wasn't sure if it was a short or if it wasn't a short. Did it upload as a short? I don't know. You wouldn't find out until after it was done. But here you can go into the beta. You can click here. You'll see a couple of different options that are available to you. First and foremost, you can record your short directly inside of the app. Now you have your flip, where you have your flip camera, where I can flip the camera around. You have your speed, you have your timer, and you have your filters. You can also add music, and they have a pretty vast variety of music. As much as YouTube likes to take people's, video down for music and what is it called? Copyright. There we go. For copyright. They actually have pretty good amount of different songs and things that you can use here. But what I am going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and upload a video that I already have. I'm actually going to use a TikTok video that I have. Click on the next button. All right. And now inside of here, I can add music. I can, once again, this is the music library. You can go to text. You can add text in here. I already have text on my video, so I'm not going to add any text in here. I'm going to go ahead and just throw that into the trash here. All right, you can have a timeline. So with your timeline, you're just going to go in here and move some things around and it'll just allow you to do that. So it's a bit different than Instagram Reels, and that in Instagram Reels you can move the little levers to show where you want your text to show up. In here they have a timeline, and you of course have your different filters if you want to use different filters on your videos. We're going to go ahead and just keep that on normal. Next, after that, you're going to click on the next button. That'll take you over to the next screen. Here you're going to add in your title. You only have 100 characters, like literally 100 characters. That's it. That's it. That's all. So when you go in here, you want to make sure you have a really good title that you can take advantage of. So you can click here. I am just going to add in 5. Down here you can choose whether or not you want this public or not. Of course you want it public because you want to be able to showcase the video so that people know that they are there. You can click whether this is made for kids or not. This particular video is not made for kids. So we're going to go ahead and click on the upload button, and it shows you uploading your video. Now what you're going to look at here is the little library part here where it has the circle that's coming full circle around. As you all can see, I like to watch nighttime or listen to nighttime jazz. My daughter does, actually. It helps her sleep. So nighttime jazz is one of the constant videos that I check. So that little check mark means that our video is uploaded, and now it will show in our YouTube Shorts. So if we go to my channel, okay, and it should have a shorts area. There we are. There it is, my shorts. So as you can see, not getting too many views on this one. Has 166 for whatever odd reason. But your YouTube Shorts will show up here in your category library on your YouTube channel. That is it. That is all for YouTube Shorts. Definitely take a look at it and check it out. If you have Instagram Reels, if you have TikTok videos, it's really great to repurpose those videos here on YouTube as shorts. So go ahead and check it out and give it a try. It is in beta, so it's there and ready for you to get some leverage and some eyeballs on your content. My name is Jessica. I go by Just Speaks Digital. As you all know, feel free to leave me a comment down below here in the ICE community, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.